In the previous episode, I installed the CPU and the cooler on the motherboard. In this episode, I'm unboxing the PC case and installing the power supply unit. Stay tuned. I first unboxed the PC case. To remove the manual from the box. Then the power supply. The NZXTC 1200 gold. In the port selection, we have the 20+4 pins for the motherboard. We have the CPU and other PCIs, as well as other peripherals and SATA, and also CPU. And then there's the 12 power connector, which is for the current versions of graphics cards. This is the point where we connect to the power supply. Then let's check and see what cables are in the box. So we have the power cable, then screws for the PSU on the case. Then we have some zip ties for cable management. Then we have the 12-pin cable for new versions of graphics card. Then for SATA connection, and then the old power cables. Then the cable for the motherboard, the 20+4 pins, PCI, and then SATA cables as well. Then CPU. So now these are the cables I need. I first connect the power cable to the motherboard and I make sure that I press it till it snaps. This prevents shortages and stuff. CPU cable, then main power cable, and then I connect the CPU, then connect the PCI as well as other peripherals. Then we open the case to be able to fix the power supply inside. As I was fixing, I noticed that there's a portion for the hard disk drive which was blocking the way. Hence I had to remove it. I then inserted it in place. And screwed the power supply to the case so as to be stable. I then pull the cables from underneath to the main area where I'll be fixing the main board and the RGB fans. As usual, links to purchase these parts are in the description. That's it for this episode. In the next one, I'll be installing the RGB fans. Catch you in the next one.